Hi everyone, I'm Brian Ewell, the Master Superintendent here at Uplands Golf Club, and today I'm here with Corey Almack, one of probably the longest standing agronomist in Canada out of Ontario, and he's doing his western swing right now, and Corey's doing some soil tests. So one of the things that he's using a soil probe here. How many samples will you take out of a green, Corey?
To get a good representation, I probably want at least 15.
Yeah.
Soil testing to me is a good average.
So,
So you want some in the middle, some in the backs,
so
some in the front.
you're going to put this into a bag, and then you have a composite?
Yes.
Yeah.
So these cores will go into that bag.
Yeah.
And then they get dried a little bit. Then they get set off to the laboratory. Then it's my job to interpret the data to help out the nutritional program here at Uplands Golf Club.
So Corey, when they take this sample, you send this bag into a soil test lab. How do they obtain nutrient information? What do they do in order to extract the information, what's in the soil?
Well, that's getting a little technical, but they add an extractant, and the universal extractant is called melic 3.
Okay.
It's like a mild vinegar.
Yeah.
So you add the vinegar to the soil, and it dissolves the nutrition, and then whatever gets dissolved in that liquid gets run through a very expensive machine, and it determines what the nutrient content of that solution is.
So then once you get the results, you'll get a PDF or a spreadsheet of the results, and then you have numbers and recommendations. How do you determine how much fertilizer, or what are the recommendations, I guess, that you...
Well, I have specific desired values that I would like to obtain. And by working with the superintendent, you look at what we've done in the past, and did that move the needle in the direction we wanted?
Yeah.
Or maybe in your climate, with all your rainfall, we need to be a little more aggressive to get where we want to get.
Okay. And how often should we be doing soil tests on our greens?
Well, I think we could discuss that.
Yeah.
But most of my clients, especially for greens, I like twice a year.
Yeah.
And if I can do it before irrigation usage and after irrigation, you can see the influence of your irrigation water quality on your nutritional program.
Okay. So Corey will send us, after he sends all these samples in, he'll be sending us a spreadsheet which has a whole bunch of numbers and results. And then secondly, Corey has specific written recommendations in his soil test, whether it's liming recommendations and fertilizers. So Corey, one last question. Being here in the Pacific Northwest and lots of rainfall, we always seem to need calcium. Would you have a recommendation for a homeowner that's trying to manage a healthy lawn without having a soil test? You know, how much Dolopril, or what could they do to make their lawn nice?
I think it's a fair assumption that you could go to your local hardware store, and for every 1,000 square feet, i.e. 10 by 100, you go and buy one 15 or 20 kilogram bag to treat that area.
Yeah.
And that's would replace what you lose with the amount of rainfall you get.
Super. So there you go. You've got some great home lawn recommendations, probably from one of the best agronomists in Canada with over 4 decades of experience. And thank you very much, Corey, for coming out. And
my pleasure.
We're looking forward to having the results. Happy golfing, everyone.